Jones facing a day of reckoning as a judge orders his personal assets be sold to help pay off the $1.5 billion he owes Sandy Hook victims.
Fox 8's Sharon Crowley has the details on what could happen to his biggest microphone, his Infowars platform.
These people want me silenced. It is completely and totally transparent, and the world is seeing through this.
Conspiracy theorists and Infowars host Alex Jones blasting a ruling against him outside a courthouse in Houston, Texas. A federal judge just ordered the liquidation of Jones's personal assets. The court is still deciding on his company's separate bankruptcy case. These legal proceedings leaving the future of his Infowars media platform uncertain.
This is an attempt at digital assassination. I never said it in any of the things they claimed on Sandy Hook. Two judges in Texas and Connecticut found me guilty by default and then had literal show trials on how guilty I was. The $1.5 billion verdict is a fraud. The judges had already told the juries that I was guilty.
Jones owes the families who lost children during the Sandy Hook Elementary School mass shooting in Connecticut 12 years ago. $1.5 billion is owed those families for his false claims that the school shooting was a hoax. They sued him for telling lies to millions of listeners on his Infowars podcast.
I think the family, I'm not so sure the money is what they're looking for, although if they got money as a result of the loss of the children, that might offer some solace. I think more importantly, they want to defame this horrible human being who's been spewing all these lies in conspiracy theories all these many years. And I think this basically will make it very difficult for him to lead the life of luxury and wealth that he previously led.
During these ongoing lawsuits, the Sandy Hook families testified they were harassed by Jones's followers after his lies. Today's ruling is one more step to getting these families justice. Sharon Crowley, Fox 5 News.